Last class we have created this worksheet, and in this class we are going to see the filter tool, and this tool is used to hide some of the datas. Okay, if there is thousands of datas and you need a particular person's detail, you can select using this filter function. Okay, now let us go to the topic fastly. And first thing is auto filter is a facility in the Excel to hide some of the data in the worksheet. And the steps we need to follow is select one of the cell inside the table. Okay, any one of the cell inside the table, and go to the home tab, click sort and filter option. Okay, in that go to filter. Okay, after going to filter you will see pop up a dialog box stating the downward arrow. Okay, you need features like register number, name, English, max, physics, chemistry, technical, drawing, total, average, and result. You will see a downward arrow key. Okay, if you need to see those who all got 92 marks in chemistry, just press the down arrow key in chemistry and go to filter. Okay, go to filter and uncheck the box other than 92 marks. Okay, check only 92 marks and press OK. And see here, only the person who got 92 is seen here. Okay, highlighted here, and all other rows are hidden. Okay, in order to see a specific feature, you can use this filter. Okay, and now another example, let us see. Okay, uh, you need to see those who all got distinction in the subjects. Okay, distinction in this exam you need to see. Okay, if there is a thousands of members, and you need not select each and every row by manually, just use this filter option. Okay, it is a very useful tool to all the teachers first of all. And see here, click the downward arrow and go to filter and select only distinction checkbox, and uncheck all other first and second checkbox. Okay, distinction checkbox alone is clicked here, and press OK. Now see here, four of the students got distinction. Okay, Selva, Chitra, Meena, and Priya only got distinction in the subjects, and those things only is seen here, and all other unwanted datas are hidden. Okay, in this way you can highlight the features you need. Okay, by using filter. Okay, just that's it, and it is very simple concept. You need to use the filter tool in appropriate place. You need to know first of all there is a tool called filter, and you can use the filter to filter the table. Okay, just that's it. Thank you.